Good morning, everybody. Assembly is going to be a little bit different today because we're going to have a little quiz. Now, as for the start of the week, this week, we're looking at children learning all about science. We're going to have a science quiz. There's a couple of ways that you could do this. You could either just listen to the questions and have a go at them and then find out the answers. Or, if you want to, you could listen to the questions, pause the video, and then do some research and maybe find out the answers for yourselves. It's entirely up to you. So, if you're all ready, here goes. Question number 1. True or false? The centre of the Earth is very hot. And here's the answer to question number 1. And the answer was true. Scientists estimate that the centre of the Earth is 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is nearly 6,000 degrees Celsius. That is very, very hot. In fact, it's about as hot as the surface of the sun. Well done if you got that one correct. Question number 2. True or false? The continents on which we live have been moving their locations for millions of years and will continue to move in the future. What do you think? And the answer to question 2 is true. The planet's surface is covered by a series of ever-shifting, albeit very, very slowly, plates, and they're called plate tectonics, and they are still moving this very moment, only a very small amount though. Question number 3. Does the Earth go around the Sun, or does the Sun go around the Earth? And the answer to question 3, the Earth orbits the Sun. Scientists only actually worked this out about 400 or 500 years ago, thanks to Copernicus and Galileo. Question number 4. True or false? Electrons are smaller than atoms. And the answer to question 4 is true. Protons and neutrons make up the core of atoms. And those particles are both 2,000 times more massive than electrons. These are really, really tiny things that we're talking about. But we're all made of them. Question number 5. True or false? Lasers work by focusing sound waves. And the answer to question number 5 is false. Lasers are formed using light waves, not sound waves. Question number 6. True or false? The universe began with a huge explosion. Is that true or is it false? And the answer to question number 6 is, of course, true. The Big Bang is considered the best theory to explain how the universe came into existence. Question number 7. Is this true or is it false? Antibiotics kill viruses as well as bacteria. Do antibiotics kill viruses? Is that true or is it false? And the answer to question number 7 is false. Antibiotics are only interested in killing bacteria and they are ineffective against viruses. Question number 8, and this is the last question. Is this true or false? Human beings, as we know them today, developed or evolved from earlier species of animals. Is that true or is it false? And the answer to question number 8 is true. Human evolution has made us into the species we are today. And thousands, if not millions of years ago, we looked very, very different. Well, I hope you enjoyed all of those questions and got some of them correct. As you know, we're looking at science for our Star of the Week this week. So any wonderful science experiments or things that you find out at home during your home learning, post them to the school's Twitter page or send them through to Mr. Slater. Have fun. Bye.